Let's find the value of n that makes the equation below true. N times negative 3n minus 5 equals 3 minus 3n squared. Okay, that looks worse than it actually is. We have two factors on the left side, n times negative 3n minus 5. I want to distribute that n so that way this is no longer multiplication, but instead is are two terms, right? So n times negative 3n is negative 3n squared. And n times negative 5 is negative 5n. So the left side, that expression on the left side, is now written as two terms, negative 3n squared and negative 5n. The right side, I haven't done anything with that yet, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. Okay, now I want to get rid of the variable term on the right side. Notice, by the way, side note, the left side has two variable terms, okay, but they're different. We'll get into this more in another section, but this is n squared and this is n. They're different, okay? These are two different variable terms, so I can't put them together. Okay, but I can get rid of this negative 3n squared, so I'm going to add 3n squared to both sides. And notice how I'm putting the n squared that I'm adding under the other n squared, right? I want to pair those up because those are like terms. Okay, negative 3n squared plus 3n squared, well, those will cancel out as well. So, like I said, this problem looks worse than it actually is because the squared term, right, the squared variable term on both sides cancels out. And so you're actually just left with negative 5 times n equals 3. Keep in mind that negative 5 and n are factors, and if you want to eliminate a factor, you divide by the one you want to eliminate. So negative 5 divided by negative 5 is just 1. We have 1 times n, which is n, equals negative 3/5.